Okay, and I am live. Or I should be live. I'm definitely live now. Webcam. Okay. Great. If you're talking in the background, ignore it. uh, I don't have a plan. That's the first thing I'm gonna say. Enemies. That's the plan. I'm actually. Can I edit the title in the middle of streaming? I can. I don't even know how to spell enemies. My God. Save. Yes. That is not the title. Enemies. Okay. How are we gonna do that? I don't know. First, let's just start off with an enemy. Now, do I model it, or do I just cube? I'm gonna use the script. I'm not coding it. No. I will eventually, but no. I don't want to deal with that. I would live stream for way too long. It's using Unity's AI system. Like default. Wow. Applies. Why can't it just scroll? Why do you do this? I think I need to make a rigid body. I don't know. I still want to make sure it doesn't like fall over. So it does need to be a rigid body. Freeze all its rotations. Do I need to do that? I'm just gonna do it. Projectile. Ugh. Range. I don't want range, but ugh. 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 I'm gonna edit the script. I don't want to, but it's fine. I need to edit the like attack. The attack. There will be no attack. I also need to get rid of the entire health part. The take damage, whatever. Which means I also don't need to destroy enemy. Because this is Siren Head. My man. I don't know if I said that, but this is Siren Head, by the way. Will be a Siren Head game. Is anyone watching? Yes. I was a little bit late to streaming. Hello. Hello. Hello, my one viewer. I do not have the energy for this stream. Oh, you guys can't see my coding. I'll pull that up. Not that. I mean, if you're watching the live stream, you probably want to see it, even though I doubt it. Here you go. Here you guys. I'll make it bigger in a second. There you go. I'll make it like bigger. Okay. There. Could I make it full screen? I probably could. I just don't really want to because this is how I code. Was it in the corner? There, you guys can see my coding now. I was just leading some stuff with like the whole health thing with like killing, that being able to kill the enemy. Right now it's just a bean. My energy is just not good. Had a drink. I literally made sure I brought a drink to stream because I knew I was gonna be tired, but it's gone now. Probably finished it already, honestly. Asian. Attack player. This is to shoot at it. So let's just. There is no attack player. There is just chase and then chase. Player like is not okay. I don't understand why. Okay, let me say this. Why would you patrol if it's not? Why don't you just do if inside range change player? If not, patrol. Like I think I'm gonna do that. It's like why would you code like this? Who in their right mind would think to code like that? What line is that? It's line 71. My God. I didn't write this code at all. Goodbye. I'm just removing parts of the code I don't want or need. Now I'm getting errors that don't matter. So, which means we're good. Hello, pixelated bean. Do you want to attack me? Oh, I didn't. Ha, funny. Funny bean. Okay. Let me. What is player? He is nothing. Do I need... Are you really about to make me put him on a layer? Why not a tag? Huh? You got someone against tags? Pixelization is just for the filter. This is for ground with like the sliding and the player like friction wise. And then this will be the player layer. It's fine. Why? No, it's fine. Just that object. Player. What is ground? Ground. Player. No, you want the transform. Player is right there. That is where player. Agent? What? 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 Agent? Agent? I'm so confused. Nav mesh agent? What is that reference? What is that needed? Nowhere. That's what I was told, so I'm not gonna give it to it, so yeah. Take that. There's an entire part in my recent devlog where I like try and fix these random errors that drive me insane. There's no reason I should be seeing them, but I cut it all out because that's not the point of those. I feel like I'm not getting enough trees like I should be. Like I didn't do something right. But I mean, these are all signed, so clearly I did. Yeah. I don't know. Whatever. We can figure that out another day. I don't know what this southern accent keeps coming out of me. Well, your health doesn't matter because this is never needed. I could get rid of this and it's never called to. Agent, what do you, I don't, you're right, I said I'm not going to give it to it. Do you? I have a suspicion. Okay, so the X would be like 300. Why would I only give one wall point? I think this needs to be like -10. Which is also 300. Right? -10? There? What is your feet? What is your level? Get on my level, man. Man, get on my level. What do I say in the tree scripts? I could look, but I'm too lazy, so no. Do I have to look? Am I able to make myself look? I didn't mean to do that. I feel so like disappointed in myself. Enemy. Am I being told something? Message retracted. What did you do? What did you? Oh my god. I have 2 viewers now. Yay. I'm so Oh, it immediately drops to 1 after I go, yay. What did you do? I didn't do anything. I can put you in timeout. And I can also make you a moderator. Which I need one. It's hilarious. What do I need to do? I need to... Oh yeah, I was looking at the generation script for the tree. All of these will work. They're identical. Yeah, they're identical. If it wants to open, did it open? Am I just being stupid? Didn't. There. This is the Shack generation. Uh, 11. I haven't. Well, this is Shack's different, I think. So this was like the only one I couldn't. I could have read the name. I would have been smart. 1? 1 don't see. I'm just gonna. Okay. We can do 1. Okay, so we're gonna go up to player, or the enemy. Whoops. Then we need to give you Not negative 10, just 1. We can probably make this like 100. Yo, that's a pretty big sight range. It's also like not put you there. It'll be fine. Okay. Just how you get real up close and personal, not that close and personal. Health. This should seem fine. Should be fine. I think that's the capsule. Hello, Shack. My randomly generated Shack. Am I in your attack range? I definitely am. Eh. I'm gonna keep smashing into you if you don't do something. A little disappointment. Where's your brain? Why doesn't your brain work? I need to not maximize on play. Just to see if I'm getting any errors. You're telling me that you need an agent? I don't know what an agent is. I didn't actually learn anything. I just kind of found a script online and then I used it. Site attacker. I have no clue. What could I don't know what, I'm just gonna, you wanna be, you wanna, no. The frick's a nav mesh agent? I'm so confused. Because I don't have one, that's all that matters. It's the main thing. I'm Googling it. Actually, I should probably just, no. Nav mesh agent Unity. Confusion? My god, so it's like an extremely important thing when doing AI, and I definitely need it, but I am confused. I opened YouTube and I immediately got distracted. Okay, what was I watching? I'm not gonna question it at all. I'm doing some stuff. This, and I go back. Go back. I couldn't go back enough. What? What? I'm so confused. Yo, bro? 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 Oh, one of the tabs I had open was your channel person watching me. Probably. I don't know if I bet money. stop getting distracted and looking at the Gru memes and do what you're doing. So I can no longer find that video. YouTube has its own history section? Why have I not known this? Why is it just not there? I definitely... No, it wasn't on my other account. My other YouTube account. If the stream stops, then... Whoops. Yes, right there. Where did I miss? Nav mesh components. This is like the very necessary thing. Okay, so I stare at this and I'm just confused. I have no clue what I'm looking at. I have no clue what I'm looking at. Why is there just so many? So many files. Okay, so I guess I'm writing my own AI, but how? I guess I'm not having AI. I was fully considering that, honestly. Because it's not necessary, but is it? I kind of want, instead of him, you're like running from him. The main plan for this game was a multiplayer game, if you recall. I mean, you could not, but the plan for this game was a multiplayer game, and then it became a horror game, and just completely threw multiplayer out the window. But it could be a horror game again. Have you heard of that game? I don't know the name of it. Where it's like one of them's like a monster, they're like a rat, and everyone else has to like fix a car and like to leave and run away from the rat. And it's a multiplayer game. So we could just have the Siren Head be a player. It could be like that, where you need friends to play it. But I mean, I don't have friends. So this could be the multiplayer version. We could have like 2 versions of the game. So we'll do that because I'll do it on these eventually. One day. Goodbye. Capsule. That's all you are. That's all you'll ever be. It's just a capsule. My player used to be a capsule, but I made him not a capsule, so he's not a capsule anymore. Who needs enemies? I just need friends. But now, how do I make it? How do I make a multiplayer game? Back to Google. You guys aren't like gonna be able to watch anything. It's just me Googling things. Multiplayer rotate MS Paint. Multiplayer game Unity. The amount of times I've tried to do this, the amount of tutorials I have watched, you don't understand. You don't understand. Oh my god, I know this was a thing. You guys can see this. I don't care, honestly. Well, I got too boring. Okay, now I have 0 viewers. To start using multiplayer, projects must be set up to use Unity services. Once you've done this, you can enable the multiplayer service. Okay, to get started with Unity's family of services, you must link your project to the Unity Services project ID and request all Unity services and be created within the services window. Unity server website. I'm just linking. It's just I just keep getting linked to other links and then more links. Simplest way is to use. To open the services window, go to Window, General Services. How creative. Window. General. Services. I did it. The frick am I looking at? And that's not what I see at all. So I'm confused. Especially this is not what I guess it already is set up. Haha, funny. Funny man do funny burr. Haha, funny man. Me saying my game works. Literally everyone. Haha, funny man. I'm hilarious, I swear. To do this, open services window. Okay, you keep telling me to open this window, and then what you're telling me is on the window is not on the window. What am I looking at? Why do I see? Okay, you need to get your stuff together. I am not following your Unity tutorials, and I'm following some random dude living in his mom's basement. Because for some reason they're more reliable and keep their stuff up to date. Okay. Yes, still 0 viewers. Yay. Okay, give me a second. I'm walking inside my room to get a drink because I need energy. Got the drink. Hope that didn't hurt your ears too bad. My God, can I please? I can. Okay. Drink, will you cooperate, please? Okay. Okay, what was I doing? The drink break drove me insane. Drove my insane. Drove my insane. Ah, wish more people like cared about my channel. Wish my channel could like get out there. Okay, let me. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna look up someone else. How to make a multiplayer game in Unity. See, I've searched this before. Me using mirror, but I don't really want to use mirror. Because I don't understand. Hello, Dapper Dino. Okay. I'm just gonna look up mirror because I can probably figure it out by reading. Even though reading is for nerds. But I guess I'm a nerd now. Mirror networking. Lesson 679 just code. Like, it's saying like 6,000 isn't many at all. Explain mirror to me more, please. Mirror, Discord, Add to my. I've heard of Mirror before. Like, that was one of the things I was working with. And I'm just gonna, figure it out as I go. Who needs tutorials and things that tell me how to do stuff because I'm an idiot and don't know how? Unity, I don't need this right now. My packet, why? It's just not loading. It just doesn't like me. One day, I'll use my webcam. Sorry, I hit my mic there. Apologies to headphone users. How do I? Can you? Can you please just? Everything else has loaded. Well, this is kind of loading, but did I? Okay, we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. What? Unity. Okay, guess I'm reloading Unity. Sorry, guys, you don't get to watch anything for a second. Because Unity doesn't like you. Specifically you. Yes, the 0 people that are watching this. You. Download. Import K. I am so confused. Bum, bum, bum. I am so confused. Bum, I am so confused. Ow! Yow! Transport, the transport. by the way, if you're watching this live stream in the future or live, I mean, I don't think anyone watching live. I'll check. Yes, no one is watching live right now. But if you're watching this in the future, please comment what you want me to do in my game, because I'm running out of ideas. I'm about to run out of ideas. I mean, for the single player, comment ideas for like the storyline, like the single player. I mean, oh, someone's watching it. Why I said that? Oh, that makes me sad. I'm sorry. Whoops. Put a comment, like, or then say it in chat. Yeah. Tell me, what should I do for the single player? Oh, immediately stops watching. Instantly. I did. Okay, so. Well, why? I will break your neck. Just kidding, I won't break anyone's neck. I'm innocent child. So I have to restart Unity because I have to update on it, import or like install Mirror, because it don't like me. So I have a lot of energy, if you know what I mean. I had 2 viewers at one point. I don't think I've gotten to 3. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, brother. Again, I'm sorry. I was drinking my drink. Non-alcoholic. What do I do? I'm so confused. Is there any example scenes in here? How many errors am I getting? Like, a little bit. Hello. The Shack and Tree decided to be up and personal. Shack wasn't that up and personal, but you get my point. Okay, I thought the tree was part of the shed. Also, there is no limit. There very well can be a tree inside of the shed, or multiple trees spawn inside the shed. Very well, I could spawn inside the shed. The shed could spawn inside of me. Who knows? I didn't limit it because I wanted to laugh. I've only gotten a tree to spawn in the shed once. And if it happens, then lucky you. Okay. Also, I didn't crouch. I can crouch. I didn't really mention that in my dev blog. You could slide like an insane amount. I think I talked about that, but I made it so you can't. It's just crouching. Also, there's a giant bug with crouching, but you guys have no clue because it's not visual at all. You guys can't see it from the first person, but if it was third person, you would understand. Actually, would you? If you could see the player's hitbox, you could. You would understand. But I mean, it seems fine from first person, so I leave it. It'll just be the little secret. Whoever figured this out. Give you guys something to look for. Why did I just come over? Okay. I have examples. What is this? Do I want to open this? What is this? Yeah, what is this? I'm so confused. Room. Inbuilt settings, move all scenes and all. You know what? No. Not to you guys, of course, just the stuff this game wants me to do. What if I just don't? Like, let me say, like, I don't. Sorry, I watched a lot of Ryan Trahan yesterday, so. Ah! I remember the Pong example. See, there's this scene right here. Basically, you play Pong. Probably shouldn't max out and play, but it should be fine. See, like, you can host server, client. Like, just give it to me, except I don't want 2D, I want 3D. Which this is 3D, which is interesting. Is that? That is always facing me. Interesting. Pong. Yes. Ball. Sorry for, you guys can hear me drinking really well. It's weird. Actually destroys the player. There's no way, like, this is all you need. These scripts, like, don't have to do with, like, anything. I didn't mean to close this. Only let the local player control. That's all you really need for controlling a thing paddle going up and down. This is just like probably bounce around. Yeah. Um, network. I would need something like this for like create another player for the other player. But I don't really want to do that. It'll be different, but yeah, so it doesn't do like anything. They're like I still mirror. What is this? What are these? Table. Well, cool. Neck. Whoa. Whoa. Is this why? Give it. Give it to me. Give it. Give it. Wait. Okay. Okay, it is mine now. Thank you. It's mine. You don't get an offline seed and online seed, so you are online or you're online. Left, right, spawn, right, spawn. How about no? Max session 4. Shrug. I just shrugged. How? No. What if I just remove the component? Yeah. What do you mean? What script depends on it? You depend on it. Well, fine. I'll just edit the heck out of it to make it not work anymore. Come here, Pong. Come here. Go. Go. Because I want to be able to just go to like... The thing is, I will prove... I'm not proving anything. But the examples, that doesn't have the Pong in here. Doesn't have everything like necessary to just be its own multiplayer game. It references out of it, like... API connector? What the frick? I'm just like exploring a world I've never been in before. I'm so confused. Yeah, look at this. You wanna tell me it's not referencing out? Actually, I don't think it's ever called. These are called. Are they necessary? Where are these? Like, this is what I'm looking for. Because they're not in the example. I don't think so. Check it everywhere, because I want to see this nonsense. Where are you necessary? You're not. Not. You're not. Not. You're never. It's never used. They're nowhere. Drives me insane. I guess I just. I. I guess I don't get rid of stuff. Hey, look, it's in the corner now. Now, how do you click on that? You don't, which means I need a main menu. Guess that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Someone was watching for a bit. What am I doing now? You're not watching me, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna edit the title so it actually says multiplayer instead of enemies. Oh, my description was wrong. Oh, so what should I name this game? Framing coding process of adding multiplayer to my horror game. Okay, that is a new description. Title also changed, so then you know that 0 people are watching this. So now, so main menu time. Okay, now I'm gonna set up the background for it, which will have to do with shed. So shed time. Let's back this up so we can hide it better. I forgot that shack. I'm sorry. I did this during my video. I kept trying to say shed, but I meant shack. So I had to like keep correcting myself. It sounded weird every time I said shack. Okay. Okay, so we're here. Let's create a light. Right now I'm working on the main menu. If anyone joined, can't really look right now. We can do like we can do a spotlight. It'd be like from down here. Why am I critiquing this so much? This really doesn't matter. This like 80. That's big. 60. 40. I just want to make sure it's mainly not going to the ground. That'll be fine. We can turn this range now. I don't like know how big it needs to be. That'll be pretty good. I want to make this more yellow. So I'm gonna like that look. I don't want this muddy yellow, but I also want it to be like a dark. But it's just lighting. It'll be fine. That'll probably be fine. We can do this then. Yeah, only the lighting, like only the menu will have actual lighting. Just say like I was too lazy to make light this game, so I just made a horror game. That's kind of why I ended up doing a horror game, because I really got into horror games all of a sudden. So yeah, it just kind of happened. I need floor. Give me floor. Ground, plane, Control C, Control V. So now, come here. It will be the same size for texturing purposes. It's like the bigger I make this, like, right? That's what I have to do. Oops. How far? Where is my shack? How is shack? Sounds like a name. What happened to my light? My light's not helping. My light is not. It's fine. Like, bring my light up now. Create empty just for, like, looks. I didn't mean to do that. There. I'll put some trees down here. Why not? Come here. Perception is so hard when you like no lighting. That is the biggest trace. So I'm gonna use a lot of those in like the background to like hide the emptiness around. Might as well rotate them so they're not just all facing the same direction. All the ones up top that like spawn everywhere on the actual game, they are all the same rotation. I'm gonna start putting these under menu. I mean, once I put one in there and I copy and paste, it'll be fine. Because it'll keep copying under there. I mean, how much can I like? How much can I hide this? I don't really want to make it obvious where like the light's coming from. Kind of make it coming from the camera. We'll probably do that. Maybe go to this light. Make it a little wider. So the camera can be like right here. Camera? Why have I never had, can I? Camera right there. Let me do this before I rotate it. Let me rotate up. So I haven't rotated a lot, that way I don't put that many short trees. Less to hide. That was too much, but that'll be good. We might even shrink the field of view, because it does not need to be that big for a menu camera. So yeah, we need to tilt that down a lot now. Maybe that's a little too much. I'd also make it so there's less for me to cover up. That'll look good. I kind of like that it's at an angle, actually. Like the weird, like the camera's falling over. It's funny. What's this? Oh, I did say, whatever. I'll do it later. Wait, will this be pixelated? It will be. Yeah, that's what I... Good. Good. Ugh. So now I need more trees. Waha, I'm Superman. I'm gonna grab a bunch of these. Which means I need to grab one. And bring it down there. Okay, close to the light so I can make sure it's actually on the floor. That's good. Wait, I didn't bring the... I brought the actual tree down. Whatever. It'll just be copying from this tree, it's fine. They won't change anything. That was insanely hard to grab. So I need to move this one. Oh, it's over too far. Okay. Like, the actual game isn't that wooded anyways, so I'm not that worried about wooding it a bunch. I need to put like a tree like right there. This one. What does this look like? You can definitely see I put a tree there. Looks like it's over a little bit too much, but actually I like it where it's at. Do I have to add like any of these shades? Like, this is good. I mean, I'm probably gonna grab this tree, move it over to like there, and then we're gonna put some more trees over here. And this tree is over too far. Could need to be over even more. Let's put it like right next to this one. Shrink it down a bit, why not? Put some change into these trees. Probably shouldn't have made that one bigger, but it'll be fine. I want to be able to see it over the house more. I'm gonna make this tree a little bit bigger. Move it a tad bit over. Okay, this is good. It's good. That'll be the view for the menu. So now we need to like do the UI. Wait, yeah, you don't see the. You do. How do I not? Sorry, like was rubbing my mic for a second. I have no clue that I just did. If I do this, it also shouldn't see the pixels, but or not. Two, yeah. See, now you're not getting the pixelization. I'm getting rid of the pixelization. I don't really like it. No, I do like it. You can convince me to probably bring it back if you try hard enough. But I don't really like it. Good idea. Just no. Okay. No pixelization. We're good. No, let's clear this camera. You're gonna be display 1. We'll switch to display 2. Like after you pick. You need to be on display 2. No, I just said you are. Ready? Oh, I didn't set it. Why would I think that would work? Like, change this? Okay. I had a brain fart there. We didn't talk about that. This is display 1, this is display 2. Yeah. Right now, you do see that. And you don't see it here. Okay, are you only applying to, like, display 1? Yeah, target display 2. That way you only see it there, and you don't see it here. That's better. There we go. We figured that out. I need to make another canvas for the menu. Rename menu canvas. Oh, I had caps lock on. Whoops. I'm leaving it. Where is this? It should be where I think it is. Can I please this? Can I please go to this? Please. Oh, I'm on. I feel so stupid. 'Cause I am so stupid. Whoops. There. Bring me this. Can I like move this canvas to like not inside of this one so I can see what I'm doing better? Can I hide you? Like, I just don't want to look at you. No offense. Could I show me? Well, since it doesn't like me, let's okay, so I need to create UI. You need. I'll be on probably like a baton. I wouldn't be like inversed. So I'm looking at it from the wrong side. Yeah, it makes more sense because like left to right, from like the corner being the bottom left. So we'll just have like a big start button. And we'll do everything else later. It'll just be a start button now. But it's gonna be below like the multiplayer HUD, so if we're keeping that in mind. This makes me think we should also put it in the corner for now. So this button will go to this other display, display 1. I wonder if you'll be able to control the player while you're on the other display. I don't see why not. Like the game's already started. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know how I'm gonna implement this. I've never done this before. It's a squished image of my dog. Yes. Yes. Button. Button. I'll deal with whatever I'm doing right now later. How do I change the text? That? Target graphic? Text. Button. Start. Are you really doing this to me? What? Oh, because I didn't have it like in the right spot. Which one can you see the best? Can you see black or can you see white? But I mean, well, let's do a little black. It looks better. Well, like, which one should I? What tint should I choose? Not tint. Why not? Direct blue. So do I need to like write a script for when you press the button? On click. Well, so many things, so many pointless things. Tank? Why? For why mere examples is there a tank? recon tank. Oh my, why? Wrench. Other wrench. Another wrench. Another wrench. Shack. Shack. I have no clue what I'm doing. So yeah, you can just choose scripts. Okay, so this means I need a script. Which means I'm gonna make a folder called menu. And that folder will have a sharp script in it called start. Right, I didn't think this through. Game start. You little. Well, no, because in the file name it's the same still. This is good. This is good. I should change this. Game start. They'll never know. See? You ready? See, I'm a genius. Is anyone watching my genius right now? There is no one watching my genius. I got 3 more playbacks though. I've been streaming for like an hour and a half now. Cool. Should probably end the stream soon. But I mean, I haven't really done anything. I need to test. Let's just test the multiplayer, which also means I need to be able to move my mouse on this. So, how are we gonna do that? Why don't you see button? You should see button. See button under menu, which is go to display 2. Is the one you're on. No. You need to go to display. You need to go to display 1. Yeah. And then you go to display 2, yeah. Then you see button. Game start. Yo, it's gonna do nothing, but yeah, see, I'm definitely making the player look around. Let me make sure. Just come. Sure, you can be there, but my point is, I'm gonna come over. Why does that do that? Well, why? Because it just wants to be in like the corner of my screen. I guess you have to be like there. So it's actually like on my screen completely. Where's the player? The player is right there. I will show you me looking around. Yeah, I'm controlling the player. And yeah, I can still walk around too. I just can't. I'm not looking for the player, which means I need to make so only control like the player, Maybe I should just make it when it becomes 2, like display 2 or display 1. No, this is display 2. Then summon the player, like make the player. So that is very interesting. Something I have to think about. You will run game start, but what is game start? Is okay. I'm looking, and the okay. Once I need to go eat dinner, then I'll stop streaming. Until then, I'll stream. So now, I'm getting very tired out. Display.
Dinner in a couple minutes.
Okay.
Whenever you want,
So I need to stop streaming. That was my call. Goodbye. Have a great time. I'm not gonna live stream again. I probably will upload a video. No, I will live stream again tomorrow. I will live stream. I will finish this. We'll test the multiplayer. It'll be great. So I didn't do anything, but I didn't really have a plan. Okay, let's start. Or let's end. Okay, bye. I always do this in all my videos, but I usually cut it out.